In life, our biggest mistakes do not always come from what we do. They often come from what we choose not to do. From failing to appreciate what we already have. From delaying happiness, believing it will come someday. Today's story will make you pause and reflect deeply. It shows how a single thought can turn peace into restlessness. This story is not just about a farmer. It is about you and me. One fine day, a king decided to go for a long walk. He was accompanied by his quick-witted and wise minister. As they walked through the countryside, they noticed a poor farmer. The farmer and his family were dancing together joyfully. They were laughing, cheering, and supporting one another. Their happiness came straight from the heart. The king was surprised by what he saw. He turned to his minister and asked a question. "How can they be happier than us?" the king said softly, "even though we have everything?" The minister smiled politely and replied calmly, "Because they are not members of the 99 Club." Curious, the king asked, "What is the 99 Club?" The minister said, "Give me 99 gold coins and 6 months. Then I will show you what it means." The king agreed and handed over exactly 99 gold coins. That very night, the minister placed a bag near the farmer's house. The next morning, the farmer discovered the bag of gold. He shouted with excitement, calling his wife and son. Together they counted the coins again and again, but the number never changed. There were only 99 gold coins. Confusion filled the farmer's mind. Why not make it a complete 100, he wondered. From that moment, his thinking changed completely. He decided to work harder to earn just one more coin. He believed happiness would come only with 100. Days passed, and one day his wife spent 2 coins. That evening, the farmer counted the gold again. Shocked, he found only 97 coins left. Anger replaced his joy, and he shouted at his wife. Soon, even his son became a target of his frustration. Slowly, arguments replaced laughter in the house. Cheerful moments disappeared, and peace was lost. 6 months later, the minister returned with the king. The happy family they once saw was now broken and tense. Smiles were gone, and joy had vanished completely. The king asked quietly, "Now tell me, what is the 99 Club?" The minister replied, "It is for those who chase the missing one. They forget to enjoy the 99 they already have." Happiness is destroyed not by lack, but by endless desire. True contentment comes from gratitude, not from a perfect number.
If you enjoyed these stories, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Your one comment inspires me to create better stories. Thank you everyone for giving so much love. We'll meet again with a new story.